friends, I am Pooja. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss inverse of a matrix. Here you can see I have taken the same example which I have used in previous video to find A inverse by this formula. But in previous video I used the lengthy procedure to find A inverse. But today I am going to find A inverse by shortcut method. So let us start. Put all these 9 elements as it is here. That is 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 0, minus 6, minus 7. Now here you can see that is a first column. Now that is a second column. Just repeat these two columns here. 1, 3, 0, 0, 4, minus 6. Now here you can see that is a first row, that is a second row. Now I have to repeat these two rows here. Write it here. First row 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Now second row 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. That's it. Now here you can see this matrix is of order 5 by 5. Now I will repeat. First of all, you put all these 9 elements as it is here. Now put these two columns here again. Now here you can see that is the first row, that is the second row. Now we have to repeat these two rows here. That's it. Now next step is we have to delete this row and this column. Then this matrix will be written as this 4, 5, 3, 4, minus 6, minus 7, 0, minus 6, 0, minus 1, 1, 0, 4, 5, 3, 4. That's it. Now we get a matrix which is of order 4 by 4. From this, now I am going to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, that is transpose of cofactor matrix. So it means from this I will get cofactors for this 3 by 3 matrix. Now let us see how. First of all, take these 4 elements and I will do the cross multiplication here. Then I will get 4 into minus 7, put here subtraction sign, minus 6 into 5. Then it will gives me minus 28 plus 30, that is 2. It means from this I will get 2. That's it. Similarly, I will find other elements for this cofactor matrix. Now take elements. Now do the cross multiplication here. Minus 6 into minus 1. Put here subtraction sign. 0 into minus 7. It gives me 6 minus 0, that is 6. It means from this I will get here 6. Means its cross multiplication gives me 6, and that will be the cofactor of A21 element. That's it. Now similarly comes to next 4 elements. Four elements and do the cross multiplication, that is 0 into 5, put here subtraction sign, 4 into minus 1, it gives me 0, minus minus plus 4, that is 4. So now I have cofactor for this place, that is 4. Now I am going to take these 4 elements. Now do the cross multiplication. 5 into 0, put here subtraction sign, minus 7 into 3. From this I can get 0 minus minus plus 21, that is 21. So it means from this I will get 21 on this place, that is the cofactor for A12 element. Now 4 elements and do their cross multiplication. It gives me minus 7 into 1, okay, subtraction sign, minus 1 into 0, that is minus 7 minus minus plus 0, that is minus 7. So here you can see from this cross multiplication I will get minus 7. So put here minus 7. Now I am going to take these 4 elements. And do their cross multiplication. Minus 1 into 3, put here subtraction sign, 5 into 1. Here minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 8. So from this I will get minus 8 for this place. That's it. Now I am going to find next element from this. Just do the multiplication. 3 into minus 6, put a subtraction sign, 0 into 4. Minus 18 minus 0 means minus 18. From this I get minus 18. Now these 4 elements. Now do their cross multiplication. Here 0 into 0. Now put a subtraction sign. 1 into minus 6. 0 minus minus plus 6. 6. From here I get positive 6 here. Now put here 6. Now take last 4 elements and do their cross multiplication. 1 into 4, here subtraction sign, 3 into 0. Here 1, 4 minus 0, that is 4. So here you can see from this I get 4. Now put here 4. That's it. Here you can see I have cofactor matrix. From this I have get cofactor matrix. Now to find adjoint of A, just take transpose of this matrix. Interchange its rows and columns and it will become 2, 21, minus 18, 6, minus 7, 6, 4, minus 8, 4. Now I have the value of adjoint of A. Now see from the starting. First of all, I have matrix A which is of order 3 by 3. I know to find A inverse I have to follow this formula. According to this formula I have to find adjoint of A, then determinant of A. In previous video I have used this formula, but I have used the lengthy process to find A inverse. In this video I am going to find A inverse by shortcut method. That is the shortcut method to find A inverse. First of all, I am going to find adjoint of A with shortcut method. See how? First of all, put all 9 elements as it is here. Then you have to repeat these 2 columns here. Then you have to repeat these 2 rows here. Then we can see its matrix become of order 5 by 5. Now you have to delete this first row and first column. Then this matrix will become of order 4 by 4. Now by taking 4 elements, I have to find cofactor matrix. By using this, I have find all the cofactors. Now to find adjoint of A, I have to take its transpose. By taking transpose, I get adjoint of A. That's it. Now just we have to find determinant A. Then we can easily find A inverse. Now let us find determinant A. Expand this matrix with respect to first row. See how? 1 into, just skip first row, first column. It will give me determinant 4, 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now put here subtraction sign and 0. Now corresponding to this element, I have to skip this row and this column. So I have determinant 3, 5, 0, minus 7. Now put here addition sign and minus 1. Now I have to skip first row and last column. Then it gives me determinant 3, 4, 0, minus 6. Now solve it. 1 into this determinant will give me the same determinant, minus 6, minus 7. Now here when I multiply 0 with this determinant, I will get 0. Now plus minus, minus. When I multiply this 1 with this determinant, I will get the same determinant. That is 3, 4, 0, minus 6. Now solve it. 4 into minus 7. Put here subtraction sign. Multiply minus 6 with 5. Put here subtraction sign 0. Now 3 into minus 6. Put here subtraction sign 0 into 4. That is minus 28 plus 30 minus 0 minus 18 0. Here you can see I get 2 minus 0 minus minus plus 18, it gives me 20. So I have value of determinant, that is 20. Now just put these two values in this formula. Then A inverse will be written as 1 upon 20 into this matrix. 2, 6, 4, 21, minus 7, minus 8, minus 18, 6, 4. That's it. That is the shortcut method to find inverse of a matrix. That's it.